NRI 500 goes over how to use and how to verify templates used in the field. Templates are a unique part about Novinium where it's a tool that you can use to, one, verify any cutbacks that you use during your cable preparation, as well as a quality check tool. These are made to a one-to-one scale, so what you see is actually the dimensions that you will be using in the field. There are many different types of templates, ranging the types of applications that we use. So elbows, we have splices, we have T-bodies, and live front terminations. Live front terminations are a special case because there are many combinations of connectors and components that can be made, so a specific call-out has to be determined to be able to use a template. Otherwise, many of the cutbacks can be altered based upon the connector used or just the component used. What you'll see on a template is a lot of information. Starting on this side, there's a box of information regarding insulation ranges, connectors used, IAs if used, cable sizes used, as well as a created on date and an expiration date. What's also called out on the template is the job site that the template is specified for. This is done to make sure that we don't have templates crossing job sites, because one job site may have a special requirement that's on the template while another job site doesn't. If you cross the templates between the two job sites, you may end up causing a failure because of some special need being on the job site that isn't fulfilled. Voltage is also called out. The template is specified for a certain voltage. Check that to make sure that you are using the correct template. In the middle of the template, you'll see a pre-swage or pre-crimp and a post-swage or post-crimp model of your cable, complete with connectors, IAs, or any other accessories involved in the assembly process. On the template itself, it calls out dimensions for the cutbacks, as well as other key components such as tool stop positioning, as well as marking tape positioning to use for quality checking. At the top of the template here, you may notice that a section of the template is actually cut out. In the design of the template, there's actually notches that you can remove to use for holding up against the template, the cable, as well as your connector, and using that as a physical quality check. In order to verify your template, take a ruler or a tape measure and measure out each dimension called out. Do this because in the printing process, scaling can be an issue. If the template is printed out to an incorrect scale, this directly affects the dimensions on the template. The dimensions are specific to the component as well as the connector, and if these are changed in any way, a failure can result. Also, make sure that you look at any callouts on the template, as these are specific to the template and specific to the job site. They'll call out components, any accessories, and connectors. Any notes on the template are colored in pink or magenta. Tool stop callouts and anything related to them are colored in red, and dimensions are colored in blue. Black callouts are callouts. There is a difference between UPR, IUPR, and SPR templates. In this case, this elbow is an IUPR injection. The color of the insulation is orange. This is the color for IUPR injection. For SPR, the insulation is colored blue. This is a quick way to make sure that you're using the correct template. color coding also. The information on the side of the template is color coded as well. So 15 kV is pink, 25 kV is blue, and 35 kV is green. You can use this at a quick glance to make sure that the template you're using is rated correctly for the system. After you've done verifying the template, place your craft tag as well as initial and date the template to use this as a signal to anybody else saying that this template has been checked. There is a difference between templates sent from HQ and templates that are emailed. Templates from HQ have two key defining features. One is a marking, an impression in the template lamination itself. The second is on the name of the job site, there is no parentheses around the name. So it is just the name. For email templates, you must take those to a printing shop, so a Kinko's, and have that printed out, verify. It's important to verify templates from a print shop. But templates that are emailed will have parentheses around the name. So in this case, this is a template straight from HQ. That is how you verify and use a template.